Hello, my name is Guillermo, the current CEO here at Bechtel. I thank you for joining us today to learn about our mission, our team, and our future. Going back to 1898, our company was started by an entrepreneur named Warren Bechtel, who quickly grew successful in the railroad building industry. Bechtel started with the mission of employee satisfaction through encouraging innovation and building long-term customer relationships through delivering high-quality work. Since its start, Bechtel has grown into one of the most well-known and respected companies in the industry. Our expertise in the engineering, project management, and construction fields has allowed us to complete more than 25,000 projects in all 7 continents. Over our history, our experiences have led us to the specialization in projects in the energy, oil, chemical, transportational, environmental, cleanup, defense, metals, and telecommunications industries. Our vision is to be the world's premier engineering, construction, and project management organization by achieving extraordinary results for our customers, building satisfying careers for our people, and earning a fair return on the value we deliver. To achieve our vision, we have developed an uncompromising attitude focused on integrity, honesty, and fairness.
Everyone, I am Rene Velasco. I am the VP here at Bechtel. Just want to give a quick thanks to Guillermo, our CEO, for giving a good introduction on our mission and vision. Now I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about our strengths and weaknesses here at Bechtel. I want to begin today by talking about our strengths: safety, sustainability, and capital. Here on the right side of the PowerPoint, we have two charts that talk about safety: our total recordable incident rate and our lost time incident rate. Here, Bechtel is dramatically below the average on both, and these are statistics given by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now I want to talk about sustainability. Bechtel has the most affiliated projects that won the Sustainability Excellence Award, and that's one of our key things here at Bechtel. We like to be sustainable. And then our capital. We are currently constructing one of the largest civil engineering projects in the world today, the Dubai Industrial City. Now let's talk about weaknesses. Here, I want to key in on 2 things: people-based quality and efficiency. Here at Bechtel, we are constantly improving our quality control on how within our employees can eliminate the need for rework. Here, as you can see, a chart on the right is a chart that's given to every single employee with a number of set of procedures on how to eliminate rework. And then efficiency is also something we constantly strive to improve here at Bechtel so we can provide better service for our client and overall have a better project. Our strengths and weaknesses have made us a top U.S. contractor. 2014 marks the 16th consecutive year that Bechtel has ranked first on EIR's Top 400 Contractors list. We made the top 20 for petroleum, top 20 for transportation, top 20 for power, top 20 for industrial, and the top 50 contractors working abroad. We constantly strive to improve our employees, our quality, and our projects for a better company.
Hi, my name is Sungshin Lim, and I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Bechtel. I will be talking about the opportunities present and threats faced by the company. One of the threats facing Bechtel is the public perception of the company. In the year 2000, the government of Bolivia put Bechtel in charge of privatizing water, and the increasing prices caused the Cochabamba water revolt. In the year 2003, Bechtel was tasked with the rebuild of infrastructure in Iraq, but were accused of war profiteering and non-competitive bidding, which they later won after going through a conventional bidding process. After Hurricane Katrina, Bechtel built 35,000 trailers in over 7 months through a cost-plus contract, but were accused of poor workmanship and high construction costs since there was no incentive to reduce costs in the cost-plus contract. According to the ENR Top 400 Contractor list, Bechtel was number 1 with $31 billion worth of revenue in the year 2013, ahead of Ford, number 2, with $22 billion worth of revenue, and Kiewit, with $11 billion worth of revenue, at number 3. On ENR's top international contractor list, which compares a company's revenue outside of its domestic geographic region, Bechtel comes in at number 3 with $23 billion worth of revenue in the year 2013, behind Grupo ACS at number 1 with $44 billion worth of revenue. Before I begin talking about the opportunities present for Bechtel, I would first like to explain the 4 global business units of our company: infrastructure, mining and metals, nuclear, security and environmental, oil, gas, and chemical. Keeping these in mind, I would like to suggest the integration of sustainability into each global business unit. Sustainability is already part of our corporate policy, but each global business unit has a potential for sustainable development. The integration of sustainability within our global business units would be part of a rebranding to incorporate sustainability principles into our work in order to increase visibility and improve our public image. Going along the same lines of sustainability, Bechtel could work with the government to develop a sustainable program for infrastructure, much like the LEED program for sustainable buildings and the FHWA Invest for highway programs.
Hi there, my name is Mei Wang and I'm the Natural Resource Department head. I'm mainly in charge of construction management and oversee the projects that are related to natural resource. The Natural Resource Department contains two units, the Mining and Metals Unit and the Oil, Gas, and Chemical Unit. The Mining and Metals Unit works on projects related to the mining and production of materials such as aluminum, coal, copper, iron ore, and other metals and minerals. The unit operates on 6 continents and has completed more than 2,500 major mining projects, as well as over 1,000 mining studies. The Oil, Gas, and Chemical Unit is responsible for the engineering, procurement, and construction facilities for liquefied natural gas, oil pipeline support, petrochemicals, and natural gas storages. Bechtel teams were recently recognized for excellence in safety with VPP, Voluntary Protection Program Star status, which is the highest honor for construction site-based safety systems. Safety is always our first priority.
My name is Alex Yellen, and I am the department head in charge of our energy projects. Our goals in this field are to promote sustainability and encourage the use of renewable and alternative energy sources. Our focus in the past decade have been nuclear and solar power. One of our most recent nuclear facility upgrades has been in the Turkey Point Nuclear Generating Station in Florida. There we have modified the existing operational plant to add an additional capacity of over 522 megawatts, or enough to power over 300,000 homes annually. An example of our solar programs is the Ivanpah Solar Electrical Generating System in the Mojave Desert in California. This was a 3-year project to build the world's largest solar thermal facility that can power 140,000 homes. We pushed the boundaries with innovative designs and sustainability. Nuclear and solar aren't the only power projects we have, however. In 2012, we finished a 5-year project to construct the Prairie State Energy Campus to the southeast of St. Louis. This historically large facility is one of the cleanest coal plants in the nation. We continue to push our values of sustainable and secure energy with this project and all our others.
Hi, my name's Ang. I'm the head of the Infrastructure Division at Bechtel, and I'll walk you through some of the exciting transportation projects we've done in the past.
Bechtel has always thrived towards excellence. Since our founding in 1898, we have delivered to our customers over 6,000 miles of railroads, 36 metropolitan rapid transit and rail systems, 150 airports and airport systems, more than 17,000 miles of highway and roads, 100 tunnel projects with total length of nearly 220 miles. The list goes on and on. One of the projects that we're particularly proud of is the Tacoma Narrows Bridge that spans the Tacoma Narrows Strait in Washington. This $850 million project took over 5 years to complete. The foundations for the towers, which were 2 giant caissons, each the size of a 7-story building, were told into place in the summer of 2003. The result of such an incredible engineering feat is a monumental structure that became an award-winning solution to a traffic bottleneck. With the world population expected to reach more than 9 billion by 2050, Bechtel is dedicated to bringing purposeful, smartly, and sustainably designed infrastructure that will help expand society's access to public goods and innovations that advance the world's capacity, well-being, economic growth, and overall prosperity.
Hi, I'm Carlos Hoffman and I'm the COO at Bechtel Corporation. I will be discussing the current and short-term project goals for our company. Our current and short-term project goals mainly involve the completion of our projects in a timely, cost-effective, and safe manner. We are relentless in our pursuit of safety and we tirelessly aim to provide a healthy and amicable work environment. We focus on the completion of our projects to not only meet deadlines, but exceed expectations in terms of quality. We seek to continue working with our partners all across the globe, from Ukraine to Saudi Arabia. We hope to continue to be one of the leaders in an expanding global market of construction, and be known as the best company in terms of our work quality and our interactions with people, be it the customers, the workers, or the public.
I'm Pallavi Srivastava, the president of Bechtel Corporation, the largest civil and construction services company in the United States. Around the world, Bechtel people make a difference. Our business in civil, government services, mining and metals, oil, gas and chemicals, and power is spread across 7 continents over 160 countries. As we continue to expand, we aim to make a positive difference around the world. Over the next few decades, our focus will be on delivering sustainable solutions for long-term prosperity. We will support innovation and research in all the sectors that we exist and commit to stewardship of the communities we work in. By partnering with local organizations and government entities, we will tailor our social investments and volunteer efforts to serve communities effectively. We also aim to contribute to economic development of potential and existing markets, thereby creating sustainable business for our company. While we will explore new avenues, we will always stay true to who we are. Over 116 years of Bechtel legacy and our core values of safety, quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction make us what we are today and will continue to define us. We build economies, transform communities, shape lives, and leave behind a trail of progress as we walk towards new horizons. I invite you to do business with us and experience the Bechtel difference.
Wow, Bechtel sounds like an incredible company.